What is this?
This
Explain it to him. Ready, go.
this is a night ship, and these are all these guys' weapons, and these are all my guys, and this is my weapon.
Where does the you said there's something that blasts off. What happens there?
And these stuff. These are the symbols in case they wanted to serve me, and these are the things that they blast off.
Oh, wow. Well, it looks pretty cool. You want to make it fly? Show Grandpa how it flies?
First it needs to count down 10, 9, 8, 10, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! And Mommy,
What?
this guy drives the and no, now I
Oh, Mabel. Come on.